Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss the model paper number 2. So this is also I think you may watch the model paper number 1. In that video we discuss how we are discuss the model papers in our model paper class. So this is the model paper 2. I will discuss this one also. In this case also you can see how we are deal with the our model paper class. So this is actually this is introduced for our model paper class. So this is model paper number 2. In the model paper number 1, I launched that video also. You can find the model paper 1 from the playlist. So in this video, we are going to discuss about some angles. In the model paper 1, we discuss the rates. How can we find the rates? How can we find the discount? How can we find the commission? Those all the things we discussed with the model paper 1. So now we are going to discuss the model paper number 2. So model paper number 2, the first question is based on the model paper number 1. That is the secret behind our model paper series. That means all are interconnected. All are interconnected. So this is the model paper number 1. We can just discuss this quickly because this is not the actual model paper class. This is just introducing video. I will introduce this quickly. If you want to write something, please pause the video and you can write. It's better if you watch the model paper number 1 prior to watch this video because I'm just explaining the answers because I explained briefly in the model paper 1 these kind of questions. Okay, let's come to the question. Question number 1. A custom duty of 30% of the value of the item is charged from the Mr. Saman when a motorbike worth is 2,50,000 in the imported. We discussed in the previous video, if we want to import something to the Sri Lanka, we have to pay some tax amount to the Sri Lankan government. That means for the custom. So in this case, so there is a motorbike has been imported to the Sri Lanka. The person is Mr. Saman. So this is Mr. Saman. He imported a motorbike. This is the motorbike he imported. I drove a motorcycle. It doesn't matter. I'm not good at this drawing. Okay. Imagine this is the cycle. This is the motorbike. And this is Mr. Saman. The custom duty is 30%. He paid 30% to the Sri Lankan government. In every slides in the model paper, it's mentioned the time that you can have to take and the marks you will be rewarded. Or every model papers has been decided for the 30 minutes. So that's why I allocated times and the marks also. While you are doing the papers, you can take just idea about the time and you can just idea about the marks. That means every side will be displayed with this particular time. Imagine when you are focused in model papers in a model paper class, when you are writing the model paper, this screen will be display for 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes, automatically it will be moved to the next slide. That is the secret of our model paper class. That means you will practice model papers with time. Okay, I will come to the question. Uh, this is Mr. Saman. Saman paid the 30% of the valuation when it's important motorbike to the Sri Lanka. A custom duty 30% of the value of the item charged from Mr. Saman when a motorbike worth 2,50,000 important. Question number 1. Find the value of the motorbike after paying tax duty. Yes, we discussed this one. First question they ask, what is the valuation of this motorbike after paying tax? We discussed this one. We discussed with the two methods in the previous video. First method, can you remember? First method, we found the tax. tax amount. That is based on the valuation. They mentioned the value of the motorbike was 2,50,000. That means 250,000. The tax amount should be based on the valuation. The valuation is 250,000. From the 250,000, he paid 30% for the government. That means for the custom. 0, 0, 0, and 0 is cancelled. So this is equal to 25 into 3, that is just 75, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That means he paid 75,000 rupees as tax amount. He paid 75,000 rupees as the tax amount. And I have to say something for you. This is not the actual model paper class. This is just introducing video. I'm doing this quickly. In an actual model paper class, I will provide you the particular time. Then it is easy for you. But this is just a video. If you want to write something, please use the video and write. Okay. Then we found the tax amount. Then and I can find the final value of the motorbike. Final value or final cost. Final value or final cost of the motorbike. Already paid 2,50,000 for the foreign country. That's why I bought to Sri Lanka. Then I paid 75,000 for the Sri Lankan government. Then the final cost of this motorbike is 250,000 plus 75,000 is equal to 325,000. This is the actual cost that has been paid from the Mr. Saman. So we did the first question. Find the value of the motorbike. Second one, to obtain a profit of 12% from the motorbike, what is the price he should be marked? Yes. He imported this motorbike to sell. I forgot something for it. I told you there is a second method. I clearly explained that one in the previous video. Now I will do it quickly. Can you remember there is a second method, another method to find this kind of question without finding the tax amount. Within one step, we can find the amount. Second method. Second method. Within one step, we can find the final cost. How? Because he paid 2,50,000 already, then he paid 30%. I told you in the previous video, imagine if there is 100 rupees, he has to pay 30 rupees as tax amount. That means he has to pay. Final cost of that bicycle was 130%. So the valuation was 2,50,000. If someone is there, couldn't watch the previous video, model paper number 1, please watch it quickly because I explain it in that one. 2,50,000 into 130%. 130%. Because he paid 30% for the custom. He already paid 100 rupees for the foreign country. Then we can simplify. In this method, we can find the answer one step. No need to waste the time. You can cancel 0 and 0, 0 and 0. But in this method, you can find the tax amount. You can just take the answer. So this is equal to 25 into 13. Yes, we know 25 into 30, 325. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 325,000. This is, we got the same answer by using this method. Okay, that is the answer for the first one. Please pause the video. Please copy the answer. Then I will move to the second question. Okay. I hope you wrote the one answers. Second one. To obtain a profit of 12% from the motorbike, what is the price he should be marked? Yes, we know normally he imported this motorbike to sell. That means he need a profit. That's what we are calling it business. If we are doing a business, definitely we need a profit. That's why we are doing the business. So already final cost already he paid 325,000. He expected profit percentage is 12%. Then he already paid 325,000. He's expecting 12% profit percentage. They asked what is the amount he should mark. So marked price. What is the price he should be marked? Yes, marking price. He should be the marking price. Already he paid 325,000. He is expecting 12% profit. So from the 325,000 into 12%, this is not the marketing price. This is the expecting profit. Expecting profit. Is expecting 12% profit. So you can just find the answer. But in this method, you have to follow 2 steps. But if you want to take the answer with 1 steps, you can just write 112 in here. I discussed these things in the previous video, but I will explain in this video also in with the first method. So expecting profit, you can cancel zeros, 0 and 0. So this is just equal to 3,250 into 12. Okay, please find the answer. That is equal to 39,000. So this is the expecting profit, but this is not the answer. So what should be the marking price? Marking price should be he already cost paid 3,25,000. That means 325,000 for the government and the exported country, and he's expecting 39,000 as the profit. So you have add this together. So this should be equal to 3,64,000. This should be the marking price. I told you if you want to find this answer within 1 step, you can just put 1 in here. I explained in the previous video. Okay. I will erase the board. If you want to write something, please pause the video and you can just write it. Okay. Expecting profit percentage, then we found the expected profit. It was 39,000, I think. Yes. Then marked price was 3,64,000. Then let's move to the next question. We did the second one also. If when selling the motorbike on each price, I have to say something new. This is just an introducing video. This is not the actual class. When we are dealing with the class, there are several interesting activities also you can participate. And I will provide some particular time for you. and we will provide online test also. There are several things we have to do in our model paper cash, and I have to say to you, the model, group 1 is already completed. The now admissions are open for the second group. If when selling the motorbike on cash price, it is given 18,200 of discount. Find the discount percentage given. Yes. So this is a businessman. He agreed to pay a discount. He agreed to pay a discount 18,250. 18,250 as a discount amount, but that is only for cash prices. If someone asked for it a loan, they didn't provide it. If someone asked for the cash, he will provide 18,200 as a discount. So they ask the discount percentage. We know the discount percentage. We know how to find the discount percentage. We know the how to find the discount. Can we remember in the previous video we discussed? Discount is equal to value into rate. Discount is equal to value into rate. So it mentioned the discount is 18,200. This is the discount. And we know the value. That means marked price. I will write marked price here. Marked price into rate. The marked price is 3,64,000 into the rate. R is, that's what I'm going to find. Zeros and zeros is cancelled. We know how to find the fractions. This is just R. I need to find R. To find the R, you can set 3,640 for the side. So R should be equal to 18,200 into 364,000. You can cancel 0. This 0 and 0 will be cancelled. There is something you should see. 162 cancelled by 1. 102 cancelled by 182. This is just 1. For 364, there are 282s. So R is equal to, this is just 10 over 2. 10 over 2 is 5%. That actually he agreed to pay 5% discount. That's why he reduced 18,200 as a discount amount. I'm discussed this quickly because we discussed these things in the previous video. Okay, I will erase the board. Please copy your answer quickly. If you can pause the video and you can copy the answers. Finally, what is the, when selling a motorbike on cash price, find the net profit obtained by the Mr. Saman from the motorbike. Here we can find the net profit. We can find the net profit. We already find the expected profit. So net profit should be equal to, we know the expected profit. From the expected profit, I will reduce the discount. The net profit is is equal to expected profit. He expected 39,000 profit, but he agreed to pay 18,200 discount. So this is the actual net profit. From the 39,000, you have to reduce 18,200. So this is equal to 30,800. This is the actual net profit he got from this business. Okay, that is the answer for the first question. I did this quickly because I explained all the things from the previous video. Because the previous model paper was based on the rates. Okay, please copy the answer. Then I will come to the today's theories parts. Today we are going to discuss the model paper number 2. This is the first question. Then I will move to the model paper number 2, second question. These are based on the angles. Okay, just forget about this quick question. Let's discuss something. Don't write anything. Please give me your attention. Okay, we know this is a straight line, and I'm saying this is just a demo video. This is not actual class. When we are discussing with the class, we will do this very attractive methods, but this is just introducing video. That's why I'm doing this quickly. Okay, we know if there is a straight line, we know angles of a straight line is equal to 180. This is equal to 180. Angles of a straight line is equal to 180. And we know if there is a circle, we know those things from grade 7 or 8 something. Angles of a circle, that is equal to 360. Then I will come to this point. If there is a straight line, angles of a straight line should be equal to 180. I will explain this one in this method. There is a straight line. That straight line has been divided into 3 angles. Imagine this angle is A. This angle is B. This angle is C. Then you can say sum of this ABC is equal to 180. That's why we are calling angles of straight line is equal to 180. So that means you can say A plus B plus C should be equal to 180. This is the theory. No need to write this one. Just discuss with me because I will provide the short note end of the model paper. I will provide the short note for this part end of the model paper. This is equal to 180. Okay. Then I have a question for you. There is a straight line. It has been divided into 2 angles. Someone told me this angle is 70. And this is simple A. I need to find A. Please help me to find this one. Very easy question. If this is 70, I can find A. Why? We know the sum of the straight angles of a straight angle is equal to 180. That means this angle A plus this 70 should be equal to 180. You can just simplify an equation. We know how to simplify the equation. This is just A is equal to 180 minus 70. So the A should be equal to 197 minus 70 means 110. We found A that is equal to 110. That is very easy for you. I will come for another example. Someone told me this is a straight. This is AB. AB is a straight line. This angle is A. And this angle is also A. This is 80. I need to find A. Please pause the video, find your answer, and check your answers. Pause the video and find your answer and check your answer. Okay, I will come to discussion. We know if AB is a straight line, angles of a straight line is equal to 180. This A plus this 80 plus this A. Sum of these three angles should be equal to 180. A plus A, 2A plus 80 is equal to 180. So 2A should be equal to 180 minus 80. So the A should be equal to 2A should be equal to 100. So the A should be equal to 100 over 2 is equal to 50. That's how we found the answer. Please pause the video and copy your answer. Then continue with the video. Let's come to find this one. Please view the video. You can find the answer. Then check your answer with our discussion. So AB is a straight line. We have to find the value of A. So according to that one, I can say these angles should be equal to 180. So there is an angle called as 3A plus 20 plus A should be equal to 180. 3A plus A mean 4A plus 20 mean is equal to 180. So the 4A should be equal to 180 minus 20. 4A is equal to 160. A should be equal to 160 over 4, that is equal to 40. This is the answer. Okay, I think your answer may also may be 40. Then you are very good. We have several activities in our class. Please use the video and you can write the answer. We have several activities in our class. You can join and see the difference. I will move for the next part. Okay, just forget about the question and I have to say something for you. That was a straight line. In the previous case, it was a straight line. We know angles of a straight line is equal to 180. Angles of a straight line is equal to 180. Then I will come for a triangle. Imagine this is a triangle. Imagine this is a triangle. I will name this angle as A, this angle as B, this angle as C. If we want to find the internal angles of a triangle, then definitely it should be equal to 180. That means internal angles of a straight line. This is a straight internal angle, and this is a internal angle, and this is the internal angle. If we can take the sum of the internal angle A, B, C, that means A plus B plus C should be equal to 180. Sum of the internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180. This is just a triangle. If we consider a square, no need a square. If we take a polygon with 4 sides, so this is 3 sides. This is equal to this polygon has 3 sides. This polygon has 4 sides. Then I need to find the internal angles of this 4-side polygon. If this is A, if this is B, if this is C, if this is D, how can I find the internal angles? That is a theorem. Why? That is based on the number of sides it has. That is based on the number of sides it has. There is a theorem. I will say it quickly because this is just a demo video. This is not the actual model paper class. If we want to find the internal sum of the internal angles, we can use this equation. It should be equal to n minus 2 into 180. N is equal to number of sides in the polygon. No need to write this one. I will provide a short note in the end of the video, end of the model paper. I will provide it. But just come to the discussion. No need to write. So n is the number of sides in the polygon. If we consider a triangle, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. N is equal to 3. So 3 minus 2 into 180. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 into 180. 1 into 180 means 180. That's why I told you sum of the internal angles in a triangle is equal to 180. Let's come for a 4 sides polygon. So how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So n is equal to 4. 4 minus 2 into 180. 4 minus 2 is 2 into 180. That is just equal to 360. So if you want to find the sum of A, B, C, D, you can just say this is equal to 360. Let's consider a pentagon. That means a polygon with 5 sides. This has been 5 sides. I need to find this one. This angle is A, B, C, D, E. I need to find A plus B plus D plus E because this has 5 sides. How can I find this one? There are 5 sides are there. That means 5 minus 2 into 180. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 into 180. That means this is equal to 540. So this should be equal to 540. That means if we know number of sides in a polygon, we can take the total sum of the internal angles of the polygon. This is the base. This is the equation to find the internal angles of a polygon n minus 2 into 180. But keep in your mind that is only for internal angles. But if you wish to find external angles in every polygons, the sum of the external angles in angles is 360. Is 660. Keep in mind, I'm just summarize this one. Okay. I will erase this one. If you want to write, please pause the video and write. Okay. However, we discuss how to find the internal angle of angles of any polygon. Then there is something I have to say you. I will consider a triangle. I will consider a triangle. Then I will provide the external angle also. This is a triangle and this is the external angle. There is a combination in between external and internal angles in a triangle. Imagine this angle is equal to A. This angle is B equal to B. And this angle is equal to C. There is a combination I have to say you. This A is equal to B plus C. This A is equal to B plus C. That means if we create the external angle of a triangle, that should be equal to internal opposite sum of internal opposite angles. This A is equal to B plus C. According to that one, I have a question for you. Imagine this is a triangle. Someone told me this angle is equal to 70 and this is equal to 30. Please find and tell me quickly what is this angle. Yes, use the video and find the answer. Okay, I hope you found the answer. Yes, very quickly we can find. Why? This angle should be equal to internal sum of internal opposite angles. This should be equal to this 70 plus this 30. So that is equal to 100. Okay. Please copy the answers. Pause the video and copy the answers. Okay. I will erase this one. Then I will come to the point. There is something I have to find. According to the information given figure, find the value of x and y. We have to find the value of x and y. I will help for you. Please pause the video. You can find the answer and correct your answer with our discussion. Okay, I hope you found the answer. What is the answer? Let's come to here. What can you say about this one? This is a straight line. If this is a straight line, sum of this 110 plus x should be equal to 180 because this is a straight line. We discussed that one in the previous case. So the x should be equal to 180 minus 110. X is equal to 70. I'm discuss these things very quickly because I need to cover the video. There are several things to discuss, but when we are discuss these things in our model paper class, we are going very slowly. It will be very abstracted method, but I can't do all the things in our this kind of demos video. Okay, we found x as 70. Then we can come to that theorem. If we know two angles, if we are going to find the external angles, this external angle is equal to sum of these internal angles. Yes, that means this y should be equal to sum of this 55 and x. 55 plus x. We found x as 70 already. So the y should be equal to 55 plus 70. So the y should be equal to 55 plus 70 mean 125. That is the method we got the answer. Okay. Please copy the answer and let's move to the next one. I have to come for a equilibrium. Okay. Imagine this is a parallelogram. If this is a parallelogram, we know the combinations of a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. Then opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. These are the main features of a parallelogram. And there is, I have to say you, opposite angles also equal. If this is A, this one also should be A. If this is B, this one also should be B. This is the theorem. Let's come for example. There is a parallelogram. There is a parallelogram. It mentioned this is 70. It mentioned this is 70. I need to find A and I need to find B. Please help me to find A and B. Please pause the video and find A and B. Okay, I think you found A and B. What is the A and B? According to the theorem, opposite angles are equal in the parallelogram. If this is 70, This one also should be 70. That means A should be equal to 70. Then I need to find B. How can I find B? According to this theorem, opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. If this is B, this one also should be B. The parallelogram has four sides. We know the sum of internal angles in the four side polygon, that is 360. This 360 should be equal to 70 plus 70 plus this is B, B, B plus B. These are the four internal angles. The sum of these four internal angles should be equal to 360. So the 360 is equal to 140 plus 2B. 140 plus 2B. So 360 minus 140 is equal to 2B. So the 2B should be equal to 100 220. So the B should be equal to 220 over 2. So the B should be equal to 110. That's how we found the answer. Please copy the answer and please you can use the video and please copy the answer. Then let's come to the discussion. Please find and tell me x and y. Find the value of x and y. Yes, very easily you can say if there is a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. X is equal to 120. And this is a straight line. XY pi should be equal to 180. It's clearly mentioned here also. X is equal to 120 plus Y is equal to 180. So the Y should be equal to 180 minus 120. Y should be equal to 60. That is the answer. Okay, copy your answer quickly. Use the video and copy your answer. Let's move for the next question. Okay, please use the video. Please try to take the answer for question number 5. Okay, I hope you got the answer. Let's discuss. According to the given information, find x and y. Yes, very easy question. Can you remember what we discussed in the previous part? Yes. You can find x quickly. How? This is a triangle. If this is a triangle, sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180. This x plus 70 plus 50 should be equal to 180. This x plus 120 is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 120. X is equal to 60. Yes, we found the answer x as 60. Then next move for the next one. Yes, y is a internal angle. This internal angle should be equal to sum of external this angle and this angle. So you can say this y should be equal to sum of this one, x plus 30. X is equal to 60. 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 plus 70. So the y should be equal to 160. That's how we got the answer. I'm discussing very quickly because I need to cover this all the things with the video, with a single video. That's why I'm discuss this quickly. But in our model paper class, we are discussing very slowly. And there are several activities and there are several attractive methods we are following. Okay, I will erase the board. Then let's move to the next question. Okay, please read the question carefully. Use the video and read the question carefully. Before we are moving to this part, I have to say something for you. Let's consider a circle. In a single day, we don't discuss all the things in our model paper class. But in a single video, we will discuss all the things in our all the things for the model paper number 2. Okay, imagine this is a circle. We know the combinations of a circle. If this is a circle, normally we call this is the center point. O. And there are some combinations in a circle. In a circle, I will create a chord. Imagine this is we called chord. This is A and this is B. Imagine AB is a chord. I will create the angle by using the chord in the circumference. Imagine I created the angle by using the chord AB in the circumference. Then I will create another angle by using the same AB in the circumference in the another point. And I will create another angle by using same AB in a circumference in another point. There is something I have to say you. That is, these all angles are equal. That means starting from the same chord and reflect on the circumference, all the angles are equal. If this is x, this one should be x and this one should be x. Please copy the answer. Please copy this theorem. Then I will discuss. I will give you example. There is a circle. This is a chord. An angle has been created by using this chord. This is chord called as AB. So I created the angle by using AB in the circumference. Then I created the same another angle by using the same chord in the circumference. Someone told me this is equal to 40. Please help me to find this one. Nothing to say. This x should be is equal to 40. By using the same AB, it has been created an angle in the circumference. Those all are equal. That is the hint for you. Okay, copy the answer. You can use and copy the answer. There is something I have to say. Another thing I have to say. If I create an angle by using same chord, I told you those all are equal. But keep in your mind, all are should be created in the circumference. We can't say in this method. Can I say I created two angles by using same chord? This one and this one is equal? No. But this also should be created in the circumference. Then we can agree. This is not okay. then I should create these all angles in the circumference. I created two angles by using the same chord in the same in the circumference of the circle. Then this is okay. This is x, this is x. But this is not that I'm going to say. In this case, we know that one. Okay, I created the chart called as AB. This is AB. This is AB. I created an angle in the circumference. By using same AB, I will create an angle in the center point. By using the same AB, I created an angle in the center point. If this is x, the angle that I created in center point should be equal to 2x. That is the combination. If this is x, this should be equal to 2x. I will give you an example. AB is a circle. I created the chart that is called as AB. Then someone has created the angle in a circumference. And he has been created this angle in a center point by using the same AB. Someone told me this is equal to 40. Then what should be this angle? This should be equal to 80. Okay, we found a combination. There is another thing that you need to know. I will do this quickly because I need to end this video. We discussed these things our model paper class in several days, not in a single day, but I will discuss these things in a single video. Okay, I will do another thing. I created a chart called as AB, but I will create a chart as a ray diameter. This is just a chart. This is also a chart. This is also a chart. This is also a chart, but there is another name for this one. We call this one as diameter. If the base is a diameter, I will create the angle in by using the same chart, and I will create another one. This is also another chart. Yes, that is also the same theory. This angle and this angle is equal. But I have to say something for you. If this AB, that means chord is a diameter of the circle, definitely this one should be 90. So this is also should be 90. This is the another theorem. This is another theorem. If this is 90, this one also should be 90. But the reason this AB is a diameter. Okay, please copy these things. Please pause the video and let's come to the discussion. Okay, now you can come to the question number 6. Okay, by using that theorem, you can try this question number 6. Those are the basic concept we had to discuss with the model paper number 2. We already discussed model paper number 1. So this is model paper number 2. This is this kind of concept we are discussing in our model paper class. Not in this much hurry. Very attractive method we are using for it. And there are several activities we are doing in our class, and we will provide model papers. We will write model papers with the time. That's why it's mentioned in the here. You can take 6 minutes to complete this question, and we will provide all the marks for all of you, and we will provide charts for each of the students available in the class. Now it's already completed the first group. Now the admissions are open for the second group. Okay, that's all for today. You can continue with our this kind of question with our class until your exam. That's all for today. Hope you will WhatsApp for us. You can WhatsApp for our number. I will include my our WhatsApp number in our description. Then you can join. That's all for today. We will meet with in another day.